Airplane's up, tap the brakes. Landing gear's coming up. We do not want to be flying into that precipitation. We got one there, we got one over here, we got something kind of happening over here. Oh, we're gonna go through these clouds here now.
I'm Evan, and I've been flying airplanes since I was 14 years old. Being a commercial pilot in the Rocky Mountains is incredible and has led me on some very wild adventures. My mission? To share with you my love for aviation, the outdoors, and all the things I've learned along the way in hopes of inspiring the next generation of adventurers and adventure-seeking pilots. If you're new to the channel, then cheers, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, welcome aboard.
That's a big storm right there, everybody. Not a huge storm, but it's definitely a storm. Yeah, we got another airplane here, short final. We're gonna see how he does landing. By the way, flying our sunglasses. Everybody should have a pair. Everybody on planet Earth should have 2 pairs of these at some point in their life, because they are amazing sunglasses. All right, let's see how this student pilot does here landing. It's 172. Oh yeah, I think that's oh yeah, here we go. Oh, nice. Nice. Hot runway. Oh, that was silky smooth. Well done. Tower, it's Sierra Echo Alpha.
Yeah, Sierra Echo Alpha, line up runway 17.
Sure, thanks. Line up runway 17, Sierra Echo Alpha. Sorry, just missed the call sign there.
No problem at all. I'd rather you check than just line up, so much appreciated. And Sierra Echo Alpha, you can contact Calgary departure 124.52 and airborne to wind 140 at 8 gusting 15. You're cleared takeoff, runway 17. Have a good day.
Roger, clear takeoff. Runway 17 and 2452 in the air. Sierra Echo Alpha. Thanks a lot. Right, anti-collision lights are on. Anti-ice is on. Our time up, 2037. 2037. Okay, we're going to abort if we have anything, any issues above, below 60 knots. Anything above that will continue unless it's critical. Loss of control, engine fire, anything like that. All right, we're going to add the power here now. We got 5,000 feet of runway. I'm going to trim forward just a little bit. Okay, power set. We have a little bit of crosswind from the right.
November, Romeo.
Power set. There's 60 knots, no lights. 80 knots. 90 knots, and there's 100. Rotate. All right, airplane's up. Tap the brakes. Landing gear's coming up. Beauty. Add a little bit of right rudder trim here. And let's climb here. We should get about 2,200 feet a minute at our current weight. We're getting about 2,200 feet a minute, 2,300 right now. We gotta go up to 7,000 feet here. All right. Calgary departure. It's Sierra Echo Alpha, Alpha Springbank, runway 17, and we're through 4,900, climbing 7.
Foxtrot Sierra Echo Alpha, Calgary departure identified, maintain 7,000 traffic.
Maintain 7,000 for traffic, Sierra Echo Alpha. Okay, let's throw on the autopilot. Why not? Because we're going to have to set up the radar here for some of these storms, especially the one behind us here. So, going to pitch sync, we're going to throw autopilot on, and we're just going to let the airplane stop at 7,000 feet. Let the autopilot fly the airplane to 7,000 feet. And just going to double check everything's looking good. Engine instruments are good. Taxi light can come off. Anti-collision light we're going to leave on. And it's just a simple flow check here. Everything is looking good. Cabin is climbing at 500 feet a minute.
7,000, Stampede 1.
And it sounded like that was a radio call for us. And was that for Sierra Echo Alpha, right turn heading 240?
280 for Sierra Echo Alpha, right turn heading 280.
Right turn heading 280, Sierra Echo Alpha.
Western 401, Calgary departure identified.
Great.
Flight level 210.
Alright, there's our altitude. Starting to round out there. Should hold 7,000. And we're going to heading a 280, which we have here on the display. Right there. Beautiful. Garmin G600 TXI. GTN 750, GTN 650, Garmin GFC 600 autopilot. We got a thunderstorm there. We got another thunderstorm over there. So let's throw on the weather radar here, everybody. Radar. Let's throw it on weather. We're gonna have to probably tilt this up quite a bit. Yeah.
Western 401, turn right heading 220. I'm going to start you westbound. You let me know what you think.
Oh, actually, We're showing a little bit here, but we're getting some, here, no, actually I'm going to tilt this up a little bit more.
Looks like,
yeah, that's that storm right there. We're painting that right there, so we're going to slow up a little bit.
Check. Sierra Echo Alpha, turn right heading 360.
Right turn 360, Sierra Echo Alpha, thanks. Yeah, we've got to make that turn because that storm is right there, so we do not want to be flying into that precipitation because it looks pretty heavy, so, and look at that, it's drawing very heavy in those areas there, especially straight ahead here, so we might have to request a little bit further to the right.
Okay, Hilltop 1, if you're still here, contact center 1343.
1343, Hilltop 1.
Departure Westjet 401, looks like we're good and heading 220 for RC 30 miles, sir.
Okay.
Heading 220 it is, Westjet 401.
And our direction we have to go is this way here, so we're gonna be a little bit.
And also departure, it looks like from our present position, direct to BOTAG works as well. We'll stay this course, just giving you some information. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, the north has been working, but I think it's starting to shut down, so that's why I thought I'll just start you out this way, because we've had a mixed bag inbound, some north, some
Wow.
south. Yeah, check that. It's close.
Definitely precipitation in there. Oh, we want that climb.
Sierra Echo Alpha, climb 1000 and proceed direct PEVLU.
Climb 1000, proceed direct PEVLU, Sierra Echo. Thanks. Alright, let's go direct to PEVLU. There we go. Let's get that turn going. Let's get away from all this. We don't want to be in all that stuff. No way, Jose. And let's start the climb. I'm just going to use the pitch control here to start us off. I'm actually going to select, let's climb at 1,700 feet a minute. Add the power back in here. And we're going to throw nav mode on. Just admire this storm cell here. There's several little storms. We got one there, we got one over here, we got something kind of happening over here. Alright, we got 11,000 in the box. Let's see if we can maybe stop it. No, we'll go right to 11,000 for this. We definitely have, oh, we're going to go through these clouds here now. Summertime, you always hit a lot of bugs on takeoff, so you get bugs all over the windshield, which doesn't make for good good visibility. But if we hit a little bit of rain, it'll maybe wash those off. Oh, this is going to work out perfect. See that little spot of blue sky straight ahead there? That's what we're going to aim for. And we're going to be perfect timing to avoid this whole little storm system over here. Oh yeah, we're going to be clear of everything here. This is going to be great. Okay, through 10,000 feet, we can turn anti-collision off, and cabin's pressurizing again. Something to note, when you have cabin pressurization and you level off at a low altitude, that cabin might continue to climb because we had set the cabin pressurization for a lot higher. It had actually caught up to itself. So I'll probably do a more detailed video on how aircraft pressurization works for those of you who are interested. It's very, very simple. It's kind of like riding a bike. To do it, once you understand it and you've practiced it a few times, it's very, very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to do. So it looks like we're clear of the storm now. I'm happy about that. And we're not really showing anything else on the radar. I'm going to turn this radar off here for now because we don't really need it anymore. Let's put it on standby. I'm going to enjoy my cup of DeVille iced coffee. Absolutely delicious. Look at it. We got condensation all over this thing right now. It's the only thing cool in the airplane, even though we have some nice cool air coming into the cabin, and I'm not that cool. So, yeah. Anyways, cheers everybody. Happy safe flying. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Little cheers to all the new viewers. And if you're curious on what it's like to become a pilot, what the process is, how to get your first aviation job, then I've got videos on my channel that you can check out to help get you started. Absolutely love and appreciate all the support, everybody. So we'll catch you on the next adventure. Happy and safe flying, everybody. Cheers.